In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write off bad debt in Xero. If you've got an invoice that you're confident won't be collected, writing it off correctly ensures your accounts receivable and profit and loss stay accurate. We'll use a credit note to move the balance out of receivables and into your bad debts expense, keeping a clear audit trail. Start by logging into Xero and heading to your organization's homepage. I'm using the demo company for illustration, but your screen should look similar. From the main navigation, go to Sales. This is where all your customer activity is managed. Next, open Invoices so you can work with your list of customer bills. Now select the Awaiting Payment section. This view shows authorized invoices that haven't been paid yet. Identify the invoice you need to write off, typically one that's well past due and you've already tried reasonable collection steps. Open that invoice, then look for the three dots menu, sometimes called the Overflow or More Options menu, in the top right of the invoice page. Choose Create and Apply Credit. Xero will prepare a credit note linked to this invoice. This is the preferred method for bad debts because it offsets the outstanding balance without incorrectly marking the invoice as paid. It also preserves customer history and provides a clean paper trail for your accountant and any future review. On the credit note, set the account to your bad debts expense account. Posting to this account ensures the write-off appears correctly in your profit and loss rather than lingering in receivables. Check the tax treatment required in your region. Some jurisdictions use no tax on bad debts, while others have specific rules about reclaiming or adjusting tax. If you're unsure, follow your accountant's guidance or your local compliance rules. If you're writing off the whole amount, the credit should match the outstanding balance. If only part of the invoice is uncollectible, enter just that portion. It's also helpful to add a clear description such as bad debt write-off and note the reason so you have context later. When you finish, Xero applies the credit to the invoice, clearing the balance and moving it out of the awaiting payment list. You'll see that the receivable is settled by the credit note and the expense is recorded to bad debts, keeping your reports accurate. That's all there is to it. Use this approach only when you're confident the debt is uncollectible. Keep documentation of your recovery attempts and make sure the tax treatment aligns with your local rules. You've now written off a bad debt in Xero quickly, cleanly, and correctly.